Hi everyone, this is Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today we are going to be looking at how to properly install vz101084, our Vicrez Wicker Bill add-on for the 2015 to 2018 Dodge Chargers, including SRT, Scat Pack, and Hellcat models. Manufactured entirely in the USA, these Wicker Bill add-ons are designed to give your Dodge Charger a cosmetic upgrade. They are constructed from a lightweight, high-quality plastic and designed using the car's 3D scanned CAD data. Our Wicker Bill add-ons come in different high-quality finishes, from gloss black to dry carbon fiber and even a gloss carbon fiber. You'll be pleased to find that there's no additional painting or prepping required. Plus, all installation hardware is included with the purchase. Now to address the installation process for these Wicker Bill add-ons. The tools required for this installation are a power drill, a 3/8 of an inch drill bit, painter's tape, a marker, leveling tool, a rivet nut tool, 1/4 inch hex wrench, the supplied screws, washers, and 1/4 of an inch 20 rivet nuts. This will be a fairly simple installation. First, we recommend taping the surface just below the spoiler to protect it from any accidental damages during the installation process. Then you will need to find the center point on your spoiler. You can use the rear camera as a guide if you need to. Line up the Wicker Bill to help find the center point, and then using your marker, mark the center position. If you want a precise alignment, use the leveling tool to help measure exact center of the back of your vehicle. Having a second pair of hands during this installation will be very helpful. Next, using the 3/8 of an inch bit to drill the center hole. Keep in mind not to push too hard, you don't want to drill through the backside. Install the supplied rivet nut onto the rivet nut tool. Thread the rivet nut all the way into the base of the rivet nut tool and place the nut tool flush against the spoiler. It shouldn't take more than 1.5 squeezes to mount the rivet nut. Then, bolt up the Wicker Bill to the car, making sure to leave the protective film on. If you don't have a second person to help hold, feel free to use your painter's tape to hold the Wicker Bill into place to determine the other marks needed. Once you have marked all your holes, unbolt the Wicker Bill and drill the rest of the holes. Now mount the remaining rivet nuts into the holes. After you have finished mounting the rivet nuts, remove the protective film from the wicker bill and screw it in with the provided screws and washers to the ends of the wicker bill. You can mount the center screw to help hold it in place if you are doing the installation by yourself. We will mount the rest of the screws with the clear plexiglass part of the wicker bill. Remove the protective film from the clear plexiglass piece and mount it with the remainder of the screws. You can mount the clear part to the outside or inside of the main part of your wicker bill. Use the 1/4 inch hex wrench to make sure all the screws are tightened. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos and newsletters for exclusive promotions and discounts sent straight to your inbox.